Adding a trend line and an equation in Excel is really easy. Assuming you have your chart selected, which means it's been activated, it was maybe just created and it already has the handles around it, then on the top left-hand corner, if you can't see the options for adding a new chart element, then at the top of the ribbon, click Chart Design, and then you'll be able to see the options for adding a chart element. Click the down pointing arrow and move all the way down to Trend Line, and you'll be able to see that you could either have no trend line, which would remove your trend line, click linear, exponential, linear forecast, or moving average. So you choose which one would fit your data best. I know my data originally is exponential, but I'm going to add this linear trend line just so you can see the differences and so we can see the equation. So I select my trend line, now that adds my trend line, but I still want to see the equation. So I go back to add chart element and I go back down to trend line and I can go to more trend line options. Then the task pane on the right hand side opens up. I can switch any of these around. I could look at polynomial of order 2, or I can choose logarithmic or linear or exponential. But I'm going to go back to linear and leave it the way it is. And I am going to choose display the equation on the chart. And there's my equation. And you can also add your r-squared value on the chart as well. Now that you have your equation, you can click on the box that holds the equation. You can move it around into different locations, and you can format it using the standard text editing tools, as well as make it a little more interesting or funky, or pop it up or pop it down, or give it a shadow or something, for whatever reason you want to do that. I hope you enjoyed this little explanation on how to get the equation and trend line to show up on your Excel chart. Make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment telling me the kind of things you want to see in the future. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Did you like the video? Please like and subscribe. Wait, did I already say that?